Hello. Hello, sweet. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
How are you tonight?
I'm fine.
Okay, that sounds good that you are fine tonight. Okay, now, sweet, are you ready to start our lesson tonight?
Yes.
Okay, so much for that. So as we can see here in our slide, so we're still here in our unit 2 about the problem. But we move here to our reading. Solving crime, I can understand a text about different solution to crime. We already talked about the crime, right?
No, no.
Okay, I can understand a text about different solution of crime. When we say crime, that is a wrongdoings or law abiding. Sakto ba? Okay. So we are here to our part 4. Oh my god, it should be this one, listening. Yes, we just finished the grammar and then listen. Okay, so look at the photos that illustrate a text about crime. So, cycle thieves, we are watching you. What can you say about the photos?
No, I can't.
Mhm.
No.
Okay, try to look at the photo and what can you see? Deng, butang ko dito sa kuan deng, nasa lababo be. Just try to understand about the picture. What can you see?
I can say Ray Victor
And then you see a
and
three picture.
one picture talk about psycho thieves. We are watching you.
Mhm.
And some people walk in the street.
Mhm. Walk in the
And
street.
no.
And then
I don't know.
okay, so as we can see here in our screen, sweet. So we have here a cycle thieves. We are watching you. Do you know what is thieves? Do you know what
Huh?
is thieves? Do you know what is thieves? Hmm. Do you know what is
No.
thieves? Okay, when we say thieves, that is a crime. You're gonna stole something to that someone that you didn't know, or s- ge- get something that without permission. Do you want me to translate?
Yes.
Let's use a Google. Okay, wait a minute. Let's go. Okay, just wait for a minute, okay? Let's Okay, wait.
Rồi chiến chưa? Cứ chiến đi.
Okay, here. So what
Cứ
is
giải học rồi mới
thieves?
đuổi được game không đó. Mẹ ra.
Okay, what is thieves? A person who steals specially, secretly, or without open force, one guilty of thief or larceny. Okay, in Vietnamese.
Một người ăn trộm, đặc biệt là ăn trộm bí mật hoặc không dùng vũ lực, người phạm tội trộm cắp hoặc ăn trộm.
Okay, again.
Một người ăn trộm, đặc biệt là ăn trộm bí mật hoặc không dùng vũ lực, người phạm tội trộm cắp hoặc ăn trộm.
Okay, so that's it. So, do you understand?
Dạ.
Okay, when we say thieves, that is a thief is a person who steals especially secretly without open force. Force. Okay. So this is the tips. Okay, what do you think the connection between the crime and photo? So thieves, this one is a crime because if you're gonna steal something or without any permission to the someone, so you're gonna catch by the police officer and then detain you to the police station. Okay, so we have here a vocabulary suite. Okay, let's read. We have here crime. Please read.
Crime.
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 Okay.
Crime.
Activities.
Activities that involve breaking the law.
Okay, next. Experiment.
Experiment. Presented.
A scientific.
A scientific test that is done in order to study what happened to and to gain new knowledge.
Okay, next. Expert.
Expert. A person with special knowledge, skill or training is something. In
We
something.
have legal.
Legal. Connected with the law.
Okay, next. Illegal.
Illegal. Not allowed by the law.
Responsible for.
Responsible for being the cause of something.
Prevention.
Prevention. The act of stopping something bad from happening.
We have rape.
Rape. The crime of forcing somebody to have sex when they do not want it or are not able to agree to it.
Okay, very good. So you don't understand this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now I'm gonna explain you or translate. So first is I'm gonna write about the crime. Okay, first let's talk about crime. Crime activities that involve breaking the laws.
Hoạt động tội phạm liên quan đến việc vi phạm pháp luật.
Okay, when we say crime that involve breaking the law.
Hoạt động tội phạm liên quan đến việc vi phạm pháp luật.
Okay, so the keyword there when we say crime, you're breaking a law. Okay, so do you know what is law?
The
Hmm.
I know.
You know what is law?
Yeah.
Okay, great. O-
Okay.
Okay, next, let's go to experiment. Okay. Okay, let's go to experiment, a scientific test that is done in order to study what happened and to gain new knowledge.
Thí nghiệm là một thử nghiệm khoa học được thực hiện để nghiên cứu những gì đã xảy ra và để thu thập kiến thức mới.
Okay, again.
Thí nghiệm là một thử nghiệm khoa học được thực hiện để nghiên cứu những gì đã xảy ra và để thu thập kiến thức mới.
Okay, do you understand? The
No.
okay, no.
I want
Okay,
again.
okay, you want again. Okay, and
Thí nghiệm
Vietnamese?
là một thử nghiệm khoa học được thực hiện để nghiên cứu những gì đã xảy ra và để thu thập kiến thức mới.
Okay, I'm gonna explain to you again. So when we say experiment suite, we're gonna talk about scientific. So we're going to study what happened to gain new knowledge. So again, the example here, are you familiar with the medicine? The medicine?
Um, yeah.
Okay, the medicine like this to spell medicine. This one, medicine. Are you familiar with this?
Okay.
Medicine? Okay. So example, medicine. So we have a person who can study that medicine is can heal or give prevention to the healthcare. Okay, again, when we say experiment, that is a person, no, that is a scientific test. So you're going to examine or to have a test what medicine or this medicine can help you to cure that cases about the health cases. Okay, that is the experiment. Okay, so remember always sweet when we say experiment, the keyword there is scientific test in order to study. Okay, keyword, I'm gonna highlight the keyword. So these are the highlighted. Ano? When we say experiment, scientific test in order to study. Okay? Okay, don't forget this. Next, expert. When we say expert, a person with a special knowledge, a skill, or training in something. Example, Chi. Are you familiar with police officer? Police officer.
Okay.
This one. Are you familiar? Police officer. Can you see I'm writing?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you familiar with this?
Um, police.
Yes.
In, yeah.
Okay. When we say police officer, sweet, this person we call it expert because this officer has a special knowledge, a skill to caught that person has a if that person is going to abide the law. Okay, if that person commit a crime, kill, murder, and whatsoever, and rape or more. So when we say a police officer, that person is also a very expert because they have a knowledge. They have a special knowledge and has a special training during the combat and then more and also the technical or the tactical in the tactical what they call the one what is okay.
Okay.
Okay, so what is legal?
Here.
Huh? Legal is connected with the law. So when we say legal, Chi, example, the supermarket, this
Okay.
one, supermarket, market, selling goods. When we say goods, grocery, grocery, foods, medicine, and more that connected connected to the law. Meaning has a business, has a permit, okay? A business has a permit from the government. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so when we say illegal, not allowed by the law. Example, the illegal drugs, the gambling, uh, illegal murder, killing. Okay, what else? Do you have any laws that are illegal or not allowed by the law?
Yeah.
Okay, about killing, murder, gambling, drugs, the illegal medicine and more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And be responsible for being the cause of something. Example sweet. I am the one who sell a drug. So it my responsible because I cause something, I sell the drug. So example, I sell the drug. So I am the responsible of that. Okay?
Okay.
Now, prevention. When we say prevention, act stopping bad from happen. So prevention, the way how can we stop that crime? So how can we stop that crime spreading a lot of negative issues, a lot of government issues, and then there is corruption, flood control corruption, and more. Okay? So how can we
Okay.
prevent or to stop from doing bad happen? Okay, how can we prevent the illegal doing? Okay, so how about rape? Are you familiar with this?
Really perhaps that when somebody to have said when they do not want it alright, not able to agree to it.
Okay, so since we already topic this one, so when we say rape, sweet, so this is someone that is somebody forcing. When we say forcing, you don't like. Okay? You don't like somebody
Yeah.
to have a sex. So example, the girl and the man forcing to have the same, oh, let's go here, let's go, let's have a sex, let's have a sex, and then that is a rape. Okay,
Yeah.
someone forcing you, and then cover your mouth like this, don't act anything like that, and then having a sex. Okay, so that is a rape, and rape is a crime. Okay,
Yeah.
rape is crime, rape is illegal.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Do you have any question here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's proceed here.
Oh, I write this.
Okay, sure. Okay.
Okay. Em rửa chén chưa?
Dạ.
Hỏi chứ gì? Em rửa chén chưa?
Rồi,
Ok. Thank you.
mê tới được riêng rửa.
Biết mà em
Dạ.
đi lộn. Em đi
Em
lộn.
biết rửa hết rồi.
Thì ra em đi lộn là em rửa với rang.
Do you want me to erase this color?
No, no, I.
Okay, tell me if you're done and you have a question, sweet, okay?
Okay. Okay, I done.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next we have another set of vocabulary. Okay. First we have murder,
Murder. A crime of killing somebody
deliberately,
deliberately.
combat,
Combat. To stop something unpleasant or harmful from happening or from getting worse.
rate,
Great amusement of the Spain at which it happens.
something,
Oh yeah, something happens.
We have violent,
Violent, in-loving, or causing by physical force that is intending to hurt or kill somebody.
we have also commit,
Commit, to do something wrong or illegal.
illegal,
Illegal.
coincidence,
Coincidence. The fact of two things happening at the same time by chance in a surprising way.
next, politician,
Politician. A person who job involves
involves,
involve politics, especially as an attend elected member parliament, etc.
parliament.
etc.
We have CCTV,
CCTV, closed circuit television, a television system works within a limited area to protect
ah,
from crime.
okay, so let's talk about this one, murder. Okay, when we say murder, sweet, that is killing somebody. Okay, so killing somebody, murder is illegal. Okay, when we say this one is illegal. Illegal, and it's also a crime. Okay, so when we say murder, killing, crime of killing somebody. Okay, next. Combat, stop something unpleasant or harmful from happening, from getting worse. So when we say combat, stop something unpleasant. When we say unpleasant, that is a very harmful, and that we don't like that things. Okay?
Okay.
Next, we have rate. When we say rate, measurement of the speed. Okay? Rate, measurement of the speed. Violent, involving cause of physical force that is intended to hurt or kill somebody. Okay? Murder is violent, and rape is violent also, violent, I'm sorry, violent, and then rape, murder, crime are violent. Okay? That intended to hurt or kill. Example sweet. Uh, you are going to kill someone. So you are violent person. Okay? Okay, if you are gonna kill someone, if you are going to kill someone, so you are a violent person. Okay, next. Commit, to do something wrong or illegal. So when we say commit, to do something, to do, okay? If you do something wrong that is illegal, so meaning you are commit.
Okay.
Coincident, when we say coincident, the fact of two things happen at the same time by chance or surprising. So coincident, surprising, or by chance.
Yeah.
Okay, you're surprised. You're gonna say, "Oh, what a coincidence! You are here," like that.
Okay.
Okay, so politician. So we already politician like the president. What they called about. Are you familiar with this politician in the government?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay, the president.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
I don't
Okay.
know.
Oh, okay. But you know what is politician?
And
In
yeah.
Okay, great. Involved in the government or
Mhm.
politics.
Yeah.
Okay. Now next is CCTV. Are you familiar with this?
Uh,
CCTV?
uh, close circle circuit television.
Yeah. Do you know what is this?
Yes.
This is just like a camera, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, CCTV is a very important in the every establishment or in the house because if someone commit a crime then caught by the CCTV, so that is also a evidence.
Yeah.
Okay, question sweet.
I want meaning. Yeah.
Okay, deliberately. Let's see. Let's talk about in Vietnamese. Okay, wait. Delete. Oh my God, it's raining. So this is deliberately mean.
Mm-hmm.
The the the
Cố ý có nghĩa là có mục đích, cố ý, hoặc với một kế hoạch có ý thức và được cân nhắc.
Okay, again.
Cố ý có nghĩa là có mục đích, cố ý, hoặc với một kế hoạch có ý thức và được cân nhắc.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
When we say deliberately, that is a person, a purpose, intention, or with conscious are considered a plan. So you are planning to kill someone. So that is a murder. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Any question?
No.
You want to write?
Yes.
Okay, go sweet.
Okay, done.
Okay. The rain is so strong. Okay,
Oh.
so you're surprised.
Mm.
This is surprising. Okay,
Yeah.
now, sweet. So in our task 2, read the text A to C opposite. Match the text with the title 1 to 5. There are 2 extra titles. So about here, sweet, we are going to read. You read first and then me and then you. So you are going to read only A and C and then I'm gonna read the letter B, okay? So there is no hard at all. Okay, go, sweet.
Okay.
Okay, can you see or you we need magnifying? Wait.
I see. Oh yeah.
Okay, there. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, go. A.
Carrying out experiments is common practice in universities. A teacher from Newcastle University were amused to discover that they had been the subjects of a series test.
Okay.
Determinism, but shown a pers- pers-
Psychologist.
psychologist wanted to find out
If. Okay, wait.
if she could change her college's behavior when it came to paying for their hot drinks. Teachers were expected to put money in a box in the staff room, but nobody controlled how much money each teacher gave. It's a pattern, but a live picture of some uh, flowers on the wall behind the box for a few weeks, and then replace it with one of a picture of a pair of human eyes and the eyes was on the wall. And
Dr.
now
Bateson. I'd hear Dr. Bateson found.
the patient found that teacher paid almost 3 times more for their drinks when the picture
Picture of the
of the eyes
was on
was
the.
on the wall.
Okay, wait. Okay, how about can you see this one?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, because it's so very hassle to like that. Okay, so you stop here. Continue, doctor. Continue.
Um, I read this.
No, here, Dr. Bateson.
That the patient conclude that we were programmed to respond to eyes, even picture of eyes, and believe that her poster could have combat crime. A few years later, another experiment at Newcastle University wrote this to be true. The experiment involved one of the atoms most vulnerable to death that student rushes. Pascal, 3 posters were made with a warning station under the image of a pair of eyes. It's a circuitive. We are watching you. Amazingly, the crime rate for high school death fell by an incredible and 62%
Percent.
in the place where the posters were displayed. The police and transport authorities quickly became interested in interpretation research, and they have seen use photos of hardcore pair of eyes in their crime present campaigns.
Okay, so it's my turn. Letter B. During the 1960s and 70s, industrialized countries suffered an incredible crime wave, and violent crimes such as muggings, rape, and murder increased at an alarming rate. What is more, experts told worried politicians to expect it to get worse. Only it didn't. Instead, it going much, much better. In 1990s, crime started to fall dramatically, and today it's down by almost 50% across the industrialized world, and countries to fall. The big question, of course, is why. Triumphant Triumphant politicians will tell you that their policies have cut crime. But the fact that the crime wave started and ended at approximately the same time in so many different countries make this unlikely. However, something did coincide exactly with 4 years that lead is a poison that can cause aggressive behavior. But it is only now that the experts are realizing how great the dangerous chemical responsibility for crime is. Countries that still use leaded petrol are being argued to stop using it to help improve health and crime prevention. See?
It's a well-known fact that the brighter city streets are at night, the less dangerous they are. However, despite having an easy city residents feel safe, the light produced by street lamps is considered only as the issues in an effort to make the Scottish city of Glasgow more attractive at night. The local council decided to replace the typical yellow lighting in one of the city main shopping areas, Western Street, with street lamps that produce blue light, and the new light were an attraction suggest and in more ways than the council has expected. Not only were the citizens of Glasgow content with the change, but some of them were also behaving much better after installation of the new lights. The local police felt that thieves were committing fewer crimes in Merchant Street. A quick check of the statistics proved that the number of recorded crimes had fallen, uh, especially petty crimes such as pickpocketing and bag snatching, where it's a coincidence, not
Coincident.
a
Coincident.
coincidence, not according to some uh, physical
Reason. Reason.
phys- fiction shortage.
And here, some psychologists.
Some casualties. They claim that blue is a calming color and reduce people level of street air. aggression, whatever the reason, it seems that blue lighting does either crime and it has great interest abroad. Blue lighting has now been installed in many neighborhoods in Japan and they have seen sky fall at a similar rate as color.
Okay, so sweet. It's already time, so we cannot continue this lesson. So we are going to continue this one next meeting. So we still have 8 slides. So we're going to continue this one on Tuesday. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So it's time to say goodbye, sweet, and see you next month because next
Okay.
is November tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Goodbye, sweet. Happy Halloween. Good night.
Yeah. Goodbye, teacher.